Magluto ng kanin, chicken nuggets, itlog, longganisa, at pansit canton sa isang lutuan? Pwedeng-pwede. With this Gabor mini rice cooker / electric pot that can cook lots of dishes because it is multifunctional. Like today, I cook different meals for breakfast with just one electric pot. And don't worry kasi very easy lang naman siya gamitin. Need mo lang din ang adapter. Syempre, may kasama siyang glass cover and steamer. Kaya pwede ka na rin mag-steam dito. One button lang siya pero tatlo yung function. Off yung bilog and max naman yung dalawang guhit. Matagal ko na tong gamit and napansin ko na mabilis talaga siyang makaluto. Kaya sobrang happy ko kasi cooking without spending so much time. And after gamitin, very easy din to clean. Just remove the cord. Since non-stick nga ang coating niya, madali lang tong linisin. And if hindi naman ganun kadumi or malagkit, just wipe it out with tissue. By the way, kahit mini rice cooker lang to, it has large capacity with 1.8 liters that can cook large meals, good for couple, newly married, and small family. And since very handy nga siya and small size lang, convenient siyang dalhin kaya you can bring it anywhere. Syempre as wais ma'am, ang nagustuhan ko dito is yung affordable siya. Pero tingnan nyo naman yung quality. 'Di ba? Wala pa to sa 500, murang-mura. And pasok din siya sa aesthetic vibes ng bahay namin. O alam nyo na mga timputi. Ayan na, ready na ang breakfast. Tamang-tama gising na rin yung baby ko.
Good morning!
And who's excited? Thanks talaga sa tulong nitong Gabor mini rice cooker / electric pot dahil mas napadali, napabilis ang life ko as a mom. Gusto mo rin ba ng ganon? Isang lutuan, isang gamit? Maganda talaga to sa nagsisimulang mag-asawa at sa pamilyang bumukod na. Kung interesado ka, ilagay ko yung link sa yellow basket.